15. Coolest car gadgets on Amazon. You'll wish you had sooner. Your car is capable of far more than you think today. It can become a smart machine on wheels. In this video, I will show you 15 Amazon car gadgets that upgrade safety, comfort, and entertainment instantly right away today. 15. CB6C AI Box CarPlay. CB6C AI Box CarPlay transforms your standard infotainment system into a full Android-powered smart hub. It converts wired CarPlay and Android Auto into wireless connectivity and adds access to Google Apps, navigation streaming platforms, and AI features including ChatGPT voice assistant. You can ask questions, control media, get driving assistance, and enjoy a fully connected smart driving experience that feels futuristic and interactive. It also improves entertainment during long drives, reduces dependency on phone mounts, and gives a seamless connected dashboard experience that feels like a factory upgraded smart system in any vehicle. 14. SEAMETAL Car Armrest Organizer. SEAMETAL Car Armrest Organizer is designed to turn wasted seat gap space into useful storage and comfort. It provides a soft, padded armrest while also creating compartments for your phone wallet, keys, coins, and other essentials. The premium PU leather finish enhances interior aesthetics and reduces arm fatigue during long drives, making it both a comfort and organization upgrade. It also helps reduce clutter inside the cabin and improves driving posture by giving your arm proper support, making everyday commuting and road trips more comfortable and less tiring overall. 13. The Rag Company Edgeless 365 Microfiber Towel. The Rag Company Microfiber Towel is a premium detailing cloth used by professionals and car enthusiasts. It features ultra-soft fibers designed to safely remove wax polish sealants and dirt without scratching paint. Its dual pile construction allows both cleaning and buffing, while its durability ensures hundreds of washes. This towel helps achieve a flawless showroom quality finish every time. It is especially useful for car detailing enthusiasts who want professional level results at home without spending money on expensive detailing services or repeated car wash visits frequently. 12. NORSHIRE Tire Inflator. NORSHIRE Tire Inflator is a heavy-duty portable air compressor built for emergency and everyday use. It features high-pressure inflation up to 175 pounds per square inch, digital pressure control auto shutoff, and a rechargeable battery system. You can use it for car tires, bicycles, motorcycles, and sports equipment, making it an essential roadside safety and travel companion for all drivers. Its portability makes it ideal for road trips, emergencies, and daily maintenance, ensuring your tires are always properly inflated for better fuel efficiency, safety, and driving performance. 11. eSamcore MagSafe Mount. eSamcore MagSafe Car Mount offers a powerful and secure magnetic hold designed specifically for iPhone MagSafe devices. It uses strong N52 magnets to keep your phone stable even on rough terrain. The adjustable memory alloy arm allows flexible positioning on dashboard or console, ensuring perfect viewing angles for navigation calls and hands-free driving safety in all conditions. It is especially useful for drivers who rely heavily on GPS navigation and want a clean dashboard setup without unsafe distractions from holding or adjusting their phone while driving. 10. MUCAR 682OBD2 Scanner. MUCAR 682OBD2 Scanner is an advanced diagnostic tool that turns your car into a readable system. It connects to your vehicle and instantly identifies engine faults, sensor issues, and system errors. The AI-powered interface explains problems in simple language and suggests possible fixes. It also supports multiple reset functions, making it useful for saving money and avoiding unnecessary mechanic visits. It is also useful for older vehicles and new drivers who want a simple way to understand car health without technical knowledge or expensive diagnostic tools. 9. UFI Clean H20 Vacuum. UFI Clean H20 Vacuum is a compact cordless cleaning device designed specifically for car interiors. It delivers strong suction power and comes with multiple attachments for seats, floors, and tight gaps. LED lights help illuminate hidden dirt, while its lightweight design ensures easy handling. With fast charging and portability, it makes maintaining a clean car interior effortless and efficient. This makes it perfect for quick cleanups after trips, food spills, or daily dust buildup, ensuring your vehicle always feels fresh and well maintained without effort. 8. Mini Safety Hammer. Mini Safety Hammer is a compact emergency escape tool designed to save lives in critical situations. It includes a hardened steel tip for breaking car windows and a built-in blade for cutting jammed seatbelts. Its keychain size makes it easy to store anywhere in your car, ensuring you are always prepared for accidents, floods, or vehicle entrapment emergencies. Having this tool within reach can significantly increase survival chances in emergencies, making it a must-have safety accessory for every responsible driver on the road. 7. REDTIGER 4K-Cam. REDTIGER 4K-Cam provides ultra-high definition recording from both front and rear cameras, capturing every detail on the road. It features night vision, GPS tracking loop recording, and G-sensor collision detection to automatically save important footage. The recorded videos can be used for insurance claims, legal protection, and driving evidence, making it a reliable safety upgrade. It also provides peace of mind while driving, knowing that every incident is recorded clearly and can protect you from false claims or disputes on the road. 6. Dreamcolor Acrylic Interior Car LED Strip Light. The Dreamcolor Car LED Strip Light with wireless app control is a stylish upgrade that transforms your car cabin into a futuristic lighting experience. Controlled via the Magic Lantern app on iOS and Android, it offers multiple RGB modes, including color chasing, flashing, and static lighting. The bright acrylic LED strips create a soft, even glow across footwells, doors, and storage areas for a premium look. It also features a music sensor that syncs lights with sound for dynamic effects. Safe 12-volt design, low heat, waterproof build, and DIY installation make it a universal and customizable interior enhancement for any car. 5. Hiseanllo Car Seat Gap Filler 2. Pack tired of losing your phone, keys, or coins in that annoying gap between your car seat and console? The Hiseanllo Car Seat Gap Filler 2-pack fixes that instantly. It completely blocks the gap so nothing falls through again. Made from premium PU leather with soft sponge inside, it's durable, scratch-resistant, waterproof, and easy to clean. Installation takes just seconds. Simply slides it into place, and it stays firm even when adjusting seats. It fits most cars, trucks, and SUVs with gaps under 2.3 inches. This simple upgrade keeps your car organized, reduces distractions, and makes driving more comfortable and stress-free every day. 4. JOYTUTUS Steering Wheel Tray. The JOYTUTUS 3-in-1 Steering Wheel Tray is a smart multi-use car accessory that instantly turns your vehicle into a mobile office or dining space. It attaches easily to most steering wheels under 15.75 inches using a soft flannel pocket that prevents scratches and provides stable support without rotating the wheel. You can eat, work, or use a laptop up to 15 inches while parked. It also works on the back seat for passengers. Adjustable straps let you set the perfect angle, while built-in pockets hold cups and small items. Easy to clean and perfect for travel convenience and comfort. 3. Alpicool C9 PT Mini Portable Car Fridge. Alpicool Car Fridge is a small and light portable refrigerator for road trips, camping, and traveling. Its 9-liter capacity allows for comfortable storage of beverages, food items, and other essentials, ensuring they remain chilled or frozen as required. It is battery saver. With only 45 watts, it operates without consuming the battery of your car, perfect for longer journeys. At around 6.1 kilograms, it comes with hardly any weight at all and fits into the most compact spaces inside your car. Whether you're on a weekend getaway or a long drive, it keeps refreshments cold anytime. 2. Napa Leather Seat Covers. Napa Leather Seat Covers bring luxury comfort and protection to your car interior. Made from high-quality leather, they resist spills, stains, UV damage, and wear, while improving seating, comfort, and style. They are designed to fit most vehicles and maintain essential safety features like airbags and seatbelts, offering both elegance and functionality in one upgrade. This makes it a perfect upgrade for anyone wanting to enhance both aesthetics and comfort without compromising safety or vehicle functionality in any way. 1. HUD GPS Speedometer. HUD GPS Speedometer projects real-time driving data directly onto your windshield, including speed navigation arrows and safety alerts. This head-up display reduces distraction, improves reaction time, and enhances night driving visibility. It creates a futuristic driving experience similar to aircraft HUD systems, making your journey safer, smarter, and more immersive. It is ideal for drivers who want modern technology integration and improved situational awareness without constantly looking away from the road ahead. These upgrades make driving safer, smarter, and far more enjoyable overall experience. That wraps up 15 cool car gadgets from Amazon. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and comment your favorite gadget for more tech content, and stay tuned for more.